This is the GSH27 VC professional electric breaker. It's the ideal tool for the toughest jobs in concrete, stone or asphalt. The GSH27 VC Professional is the world's most powerful electric breaker and has an impact force of 69 joules. It achieves a material removal rate of 3.2 tons per hour on average. Its robust construction and its high-quality aluminium and steel components ensure superior lifetime. The tool's low center of gravity and its ergonomic handles with soft grip ensure optimum tool handling. Thanks to its vibration-reduced hammer mechanism and the decoupled handles, this breaker has a very low vibration level of only 8 meters per second squared, even when performing the toughest applications, which is over 50% less than its predecessor. The permitted trigger time of the tool is therefore more than 3 hours per working day. Experience for yourself the world's most powerful electric breaker, the GSH27 VC Professional.